Welcome, seekers of knowledge. In today's video, we embark on a journey into the realm of syllogism, a powerful tool in logic. Syllogism refers to a set of propositions or premises that lead to logical conclusions. It is a deductive method that allows us to draw accurate conclusions if the given statements are true. So, let's dive deeper into the world of syllogism and understand its components and validity. Syllogism is made up of three essential parts: the major premise, the minor premise, and the conclusion. The major premise contains the major term, while the minor premise contains the minor term. The conclusion is a statement that brings together both the major and minor terms, forming a logical outcome. Now, let's discuss the validity of syllogism. There are certain rules that govern its validity and ensure that the conclusions drawn are reliable. First, if a term is not used in the premises, it cannot be part of the conclusion. Syllogism relies on the terms provided within the premises to reach a logical conclusion. Second, the middle term must be distributed at least once. Distribution refers to the extent to which a term refers to all members of a category. For a syllogism to be valid, the middle term needs to be applied to all instances within the premises. Next, if there are two negative premises, no deductive conclusion can be drawn. Negative premises create uncertainty and do not provide sufficient information to reach a definitive conclusion. If one premise is negative, the conclusion will always be negative. Negative premises inherently lead to negative conclusions. They influence the overall direction of the logical outcome. Lastly, if the conclusion is negative, one premise must be negative. Negative conclusions necessitate the presence of a negative premise to support their validity. This relationship ensures consistency and coherence within the syllogistic structure. In summary, syllogism is a powerful tool in logic, consisting of premises that lead to logical conclusions. Understanding its components, such as the major premise, minor premise, and conclusion, and adhering to the rules of validity ensures the accuracy of the deductions made. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of syllogism. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our future content. Keep exploring the depths of logic, keep expanding your reasoning skills, and until next time, stay curious.